Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle in this additional, not in today's newspaper. No, in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So I've decided to continue with the rest of the puzzles of the yesterday's edition, Tuesday, December the 21st, 2021. I've already done one puzzle, a Sudoku with 1 star. 3 puzzles are left: the Two Stars Sudoku, the Tectonic, and the Binary. But first, we will continue with the Two Stars Sudoku. And this will be a number 3868. 3868. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, alright? And for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. There are a lot of 8s. Let me start with the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 8s. Okay, 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. Let me see. Okay, we have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 9. We have a 3 and a 9 in this third row. So no 3 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. Then. Let me see. How about this column? 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this big square. So no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers. So 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me see. How about 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this column. So no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. Alright. Okay. 4, 5, 7. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 is missing, 6 and the 7 is missing. 4, 5, 7. 4, 5, 7. 4, 5, 7. We see here 4 and a 7 in this row. So no 4 and a 7 in this box. The 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7. 4 and a 7. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. 1 box left in the first row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. Alright. Then 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 147, 147. Because we have a 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, 5, 6, and 7. Yes, 147, 147. Well, we have a 4 here in this big square. So no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. So 2 numbers left in this second row for the numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. We see there 7 in this column. Sorry, we see a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. We see here 7 in this column, so no 7 in those 3 boxes. Here also a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the third column. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in this box. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in the third column for the number 8. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing, 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So we have a 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see that 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. And digit number 1, number 8. Okay. Alright. Then. Ooh, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in the second column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here are 4 in this row, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. Then. Yeah. How about I'm scanning. We have a 5 in this row, 5 in and that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Okay. Yeah. Now I cannot continue with the 5. How about... Yeah. Interesting. I'm thinking. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Alright. Well, I cannot continue with the 4. Let me see. 1. Okay. 1 should be there. 1, 3, 6 is missing. Okay, 6 and a 9. Interesting. 1, 1. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 6. We have a 1 and a 6 in the last row, so no 1 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and a 9, 7 and a 9. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 6. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Then 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, here 7, no 7 there, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Alright, okay, digit number 2, number 7. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this row, 1 and a 6, and the number 9 is missing. 1 and a 6 and a 9. 169. And look, we have in this big square 1 and a 6. So here cannot be a 1 and a 6 in this box. The 1 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 6, so 1 digit left in this row for the number 9. Alright. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 9. Okay. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 6. Okay. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. Do we have all the ones? No. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the ones are used, I can see. Digit number 4, number 1. 2 missing numbers in this row or in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 and a 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about these 2 boxes in this column? Also 4 and the 6. 4 and a 6. We have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. Alright. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. This is number 5, number 4. Alright. Then 2 missing numbers in the last row for the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, and a 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, and a 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers of this big square. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, and a 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Alright, told you between 15 and 20 minutes I need for a 2 stars puzzle. Definitely a 2 stars, and I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. Binary puzzle and a tectonic one. Until then, bye bye for now.